Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. And so today's recipe we are going to have some different dishes: jollof rice, some grilled tilapia, some salad here and there, and then we're also going to have or prepare something like chicken stew. Yes. And so relax and watch me, okay? Therefore, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, I beg, subscribe, click on the notification bell for alerts. Okay, so I have my chicken, soft chicken here. I'm going to season it with my salt and my other seasoning. And so just use any seasoning of your choice. And I'm going to add a blended mixture of onion, garlic, ginger, natural mixed spices, and pepper. Yes. And so I'm going to add water to it. I'll add enough water. Yes, I'll add enough, and I'm going to take it to fire and let it boil. Okay, so this is it, and we are going to fry. Yes. And so after frying, you are going to use the same oil to prepare our tomato sauce. Yes. And so please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribe, okay, subscribe. So I'm adding the rest of the blended ingredient to the oil on fire, and I'm going to add my sliced or chopped tomatoes also to it. So this is my tilapia that I'm going to grill. I have a video on how to season it, so I will leave the link there. Okay, so let's check on our sauce, and I'm going to add my tomato paste also to it, and then I will add the stock. Yes, I'll add everything to it, and then give it enough time for it to cook. Okay, so let's check on it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to divide the stew. So I've divided, and I'm going to use this one for my jollof rice. And so this one, I have to increase the salt and the spices because of the jollof rice. So I'm adding my rice to it. Yes, and we'll stir, cover, and let it cook for the moisture to dry a bit, and then we'll check on it again. So we are checking on it. We are going to stir, and after stirring too, we are going to add enough water to cook it. That will be the only water we will add to the jollof. So that is going to cook it complete. I'll just add a little bit of water to it. Okay, so at this point we will cover and then give it time for it to cook. So you're going to check on our stew, the other one, adding my fried chicken to it. Then we'll stir and give it enough time for it also to cook. Yes. Please click on the notification bell, okay, so that when I upload a new video, you will be notified. So we are checking on our chicken stew, and now we are going to add our onions to it. I love to see onions in my food. Yes. And then we'll cover for about a minute, and that will be okay. So we are checking on the jollof rice also. So after stirring, we are going to cover with a napkin. You can use a parchment paper or kitchen towel, that is tissue, and then that will be okay, or foil. So we are going to work on our salad. I have cabbage, carrots, green bell pepper, cucumber, and yes, I've sliced all of them, and we are going to add everything to the salad spinner. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash them with salt and white vinegar. Yes, so I'll just add salt to it, and I'm going to add white vinegar to it, add enough water to it. I'm going to add my lettuce also, add enough water, and then spin it for it to rinse it very well. Okay, so I'm going to pour the water out. Yes, I'm going to pour the water, and we are going to get it dry, spin it dry at this point. Okay, so I'm going to also sprinkle some apple cider vinegar on it, and then mix with it very well. Okay, so going to have our bowl, and then we are going to get everything into our bowl. Please like this video for me, share and leave a comment. Also subscribe. Okay, click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Okay, so I'll add onions, I'll add baked beans also to it, and I'll add boiled eggs also to it, and my salad cream, as well as ketchup. And that will be it for our salad. Yes. Okay, so our jollof rice is ready. It's ready, but at this point I'm going to add onions and green beans. Yes, green beans to it. Yes, stir everything together, and I'm going to cover for 1 to 2 minutes, at most 3 minutes, and that'll be okay, because I don't want the onions to be very tender. Okay, so finally the jollof is ready. Ready to be enjoyed. Okay, so we've dished out the jollof rice, and I'm going to add garden peas also to it, just to garnish it here and there. Okay, and I have my tilapia ready, grilled. So we are going to serve it, and salad is ready. Our chicken stew is also ready. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to serve myself some of the jollof rice, Charlie. Please subscribe for me, okay? Like this video, share and leave a comment. Let's do this together, okay? Let me add my salad also to it. Give the recipe a try, okay? This is some quick meal, trying to do 2 things or more at a time. Adding my ketchup to it, and I'm going to enjoy this. Yes, so this is me enjoying my jollof rice with a glass of yogurt. Bye bye.